Hey, what's going on, Android holders? If you have an Android phone, you can download the Theta EdgeNode app and earn free TFUEL on your phone. So let me show you how to do that. For on here, all we have to do is go to the Play Store. All right, and then once you're on Play Store, you can search, and we want to search apps, and we're just going to put in Theta, and there it pops up EdgeNode, Theta EdgeNode. Select that, and here it is up top. And you can see I already have it installed, and I'll show you what this looks like so we can open it. Okay, so the whole design or the whole intent behind this is so you can share your phone's bandwidth when you're not using it. And that's kind of the backbone of the Theta technology for Web3 development. That's what their tech is trying to do to eliminate buffering and, give more bandwidth available to everyone. So it makes sense if you're not using it to help out. So if we click on this gear icon, you can set this up 2 different ways, or 4 different ways, I guess, but you can have it only do jobs when it's charging or when it is on Wi-Fi like here, or only on Wi-Fi, vice versa. You can change those around. I leave mine off because it does not do very much computing. So it's not like it's draining my battery or using a lot of my bandwidth. So if I go back out of here, you can see, some of the jobs since inception, since I've downloaded this. And what these are doing, all the ones on this one have been object detections. So if you look at this, open it up, here's the job result. It completed this in 33 seconds. It detected a sheep. So what this is doing is these are just like AI training models. Here's another one it completed. Detected toothbrush in a person. And here's another one. Detected laptop and a person. Okay, so you get the idea. And each one of these, it's earning like 0.05 TFUEL. So you can see the dates. Some of them are hours apart. So I'll get a few in a day, and it adds up. So far this month, I've got 0.749. And then what it does, it says here in the center, that it pays out the first 5 days each month. So if I go up here where it says my address, OXF ending in 724, I'll select that, view on Explorer, and it shows you that I've earned 3.36 TFUEL, and so it's worth 21 cents. And that is tallied from last month, and then this month it'll add that to those totals once it accumulates. So that is that. We'll go back. Here it is. So, you got to charge your phone anyway while you're not using it and you're sleeping. Figure might as well earn some TFUEL. I just leave mine in the foreground. So I hope that was insightful and helpful for those that want to download the app and earn some free TFUEL. This helps support the Theta blockchain and the technology. I think it's a great project. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have one, how much you're earning, if you're earning a lot quicker than I am. I'm interested to learn how the demographics play into this. All right. Thanks, guys.